Hi, friends. So, we have a really fun book that I've enjoyed reading to you so far on Monday and Tuesday, and I thought you might like to see me read it where you can actually see my mouth. So, this is our book called Turkey Trouble. It would be really rough to be a turkey on Thanksgiving. Turkey was in trouble, bad trouble. The kind of trouble where it's almost Thanksgiving and you're the main course. But Turkey had an idea. What if he didn't look like a turkey? What if he looked like a horse? Surely Farmer Jake wouldn't need a horse for Thanksgiving. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, Turkey looked just like a horse. Almost. Moo, said Cow. Stop horsing around, Turkey. How'd you know it was me? Moaned Turkey. Too short, said Cow. Gobble, gobble, grumbled Turkey. But looking at Cow gave Turkey a new idea. Surely Farmer Jake wouldn't need a cow for Thanksgiving. There he is, he's a cow. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, Turkey looked just like a cow. Almost. Does he look like a cow? No, he doesn't look like a cow. Oink, oink, snorted Pig. Holy cow, is that you, Turkey? How'd you know it was me? Groaned Turkey. Too skinny, said Pig. Gobble, gobble, grumbled Turkey. But looking at Pig gave Turkey a new idea. Surely Farmer Jake wouldn't need a pig for Thanksgiving. Do you think Farmer Jake would eat a pig? I don't know. Some people like ham. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, Turkey looked just like a pig. Almost. Let's see if I can get this page turned. Ma, ma, bleated Sheep. Quit being a ham. How'd you know it was me? Wailed Turkey. Too clean, said Sheep. Gobble, gobble, grumbled Turkey. But looking at Sheep gave Turkey a new idea. Surely Farmer Jake wouldn't need a sheep for Thanksgiving. I don't know. Maybe some people like lamb. His costume wasn't bad. Look at Turkey being a sheep. In fact, Turkey looked just like a sheep. Almost. Does he look just like a sheep? No. Brrr, crowed Rooster. Bad idea, Turkey. How'd you know it was me? Howled Turkey. Too brown, squawked Rooster. Gobble, gobble, grumbled Turkey. But looking at Rooster gave Turkey a new idea. In fact, it was his best idea yet. He already looked a lot like Rooster. This costume would be easy. Surely Farmer Jake wouldn't need a rooster for Thanksgiving. What do you guys think? I think he might. He needed to. There's Turkey looking at himself in the mirror. He's got a glove on his head. That's so silly. Or would he? Would he eat a rooster? Rooster might be his next choice. Turkey worried. Show me a worried face. Turkey worried since roosters and turkeys look so much alike. Oh, gobble, gobble. Farmer Jake came into the barn. Turkey, turkey, turkey. Come out wherever you are. Oh, look, there's Farmer Jake. Where's the turkey? Asked Farmer Jake's wife. I don't know, he said. I looked everywhere. Oh dear, what will we do without a turkey for Thanksgiving? Well, we could always eat the rooster, I guess. How does Turkey look? He looks pretty worried, dressed like a rooster, doesn't he? Oh no, not rooster, thought Turkey. He looked around desperately for one more idea. Then he found it. In the garden with the tomatoes and the peppers and the mushrooms and the onions. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, it was Turkey's best yet. Ding dong. Happy Thanksgiving. Did you order a pizza? Asked Farmer Jake's wife. Nope, he said, but it's a good idea. So they all sat down and gobbled up pizza. And look, they've got, I think, a green bean casserole to go with the pizza, and some stuffing and a salad. They probably have a pumpkin pie somewhere. And it was Turkey's best Thanksgiving ever. And then we have Turkey's Pizza Farm. The end. That is a pretty funny book. Are you guys going to eat pizza for Thanksgiving? I don't think I'm going to eat pizza for Thanksgiving. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.